Hi, it's Mark here again. Just a wee video tutorial to help you with screenshots. Screenshots are extremely handy and they're great for taking part of a screen or the whole screen. Handy if you're online shopping and you want to have evidence of what you've been looking for, or just making notes or providing evidence for something. It's also very handy if you've got a problem with your computer and you want to show someone what's been happening. So to be able to, so I've got a Microsoft Word document here, just a new document. It will obviously be saved as usual. I'm going to take a screenshot of a part of a PowerPoint slide that I've got, and obviously in PowerPoint elsewhere. So I'm going to insert it just under the first paragraph there, the first wee sentence. So my insertion point, and I click there. So the screenshot is going to go here. The way to do it is go to the window where you want to take the screenshot from. Or if you're sure that the previous window that you were at is still there, because what's going to happen, it will grey out and it will go to the previous window that you have used. So here's my PowerPoint, and I'm going to take a screenshot just of that wee bit here. Screenshots are great. And I'm going to take a wee screenshot of just that wee portion, not the whole thing. So I'll go back, I don't minimize or anything, I keep the window there, and I just go back to Microsoft Word. It's insert, so at the top left hand corner for your ribbons, so it's the insert ribbon. Then it's the illustrations grouping, and then it's screenshot. When you do the drop down in the screenshot, you'll be able to see that the whole of the previous window is available to me to just put in, or screen clipping. I'm having a wee pause because you can read the screen tip there as well. So I'm going to take a screen clipping. So I click on screen clipping, everything greys out, I get the crosshair for the pointer, for the mouse, I click for the mouse pointer and I take and drag over what I want to capture within the screenshot and let go. That then goes straight in to my document. I can size it if it's too big, I can size it, or I can make it bigger. Using the sizing handles, it's like any other image or any other sizing box. So I get the sizing handle and I can size it. I can now click after and I can do a carriage return and I could put another screenshot in. Labeling them up also helps. So you can put screenshots in wherever you want in your document. Hope that helps. Have fun with screenshots. They are handy. Bye just now.